Hey guys, so today I'm doing a review of this Nabati dairy-free chocolate cheesecake. So this was on sale at the local grocery store. As you can see, it's dairy-free, gluten-free, plant-based. Check that out. And then here's the side. That'll tell you what it's free from. Egg-free, soy-free, you name it. Okay, so here's the back. If you guys want to read this, pause the video. And there's the ingredients. So it's made of dates, filter water, coconut oil, raw cacao. That's pretty much it. Alright, let's open this up. Alright, so here it is. Once opened up, comes with this little container. We're going to do a quick taste test. It is soft somewhat. There you go. Not bad. It has a really strong coconut taste and a cocoa taste. Other than that, definitely check it out, guys. If you have questions, comments, subscribe to the channel.